So I got myself a nice big roll of plaster cloth. This should last me a little bit. It's a foot wide by 50 feet long. So much better than the little thing I picked up at Michael's for 15 bucks that just barely went around one edge of the layout. Got this off Amazon. Should do a better job. Well, this part's going to be a little more challenging. I've got several different elevations I need to frame in. I need a road to go in, and I'm not real sure how I'm going to do it, so I'm just going to make it up as I go along, because that seems to be the way to do things. The two platforms here and there are for houses. The road's going to come up this edge and curve around to come up into here for the chemical company, the metalwork company, and then over there is the coal mine. Yeah, so let's get started. So I'm using the wood glue because it's not water soluble. So I want this stuff to stick when I go to put landscaping material down. You use water and other things, and I don't need this stuff to come up. All right, looking at this cardboard square in the middle of the styrofoam is the footprint of the houses I want to put in. And I wanted the road to come up the hill in front of the house. Well, there's no yard there, so I'm going to have to extend my styrofoam out a little further so I'll have room for the houses. So I'm going to have to cut and slice some more styrofoam to get it out there so I can put the road out a little bit further from the house. It's going to be in the front yard anyway, but I need to give it a little bit more room. I was thinking I wanted some houses there. May or may not be a good idea. I thought it would be interesting. Then the cardboard here is for the slope. I'm not sure what I'm going to do, if I'm going to put a ridge line between those two houses, but the road is going to have to come closer to the tracks going up the hill, and we're going to have a nice steep drop from there down, so the road will go up and curve into the Brewer Metal Works, and we're going to have a railroad crossing over there near the switch to get back to Kaar Chemical. So more thinking, more cutting, more planning. now have the road. You can see it on the right going up, making a slope with a spot for the houses. And then I have covered all the sharp edges going around the rise or fall, depending on which way the train's going. So I now have landscape here instead of the cliffs from setting it up for the grades to run. Then I've got the bridge in place there to get across to the metalworks and the Kaar Chemical. Here you can see the Y of the tracks going either side of that, with where the road for the automobiles will go up the slope and around to make it up to places up on the plateau. So, got the skeleton in place, this in place. So coming up, we'll be adding ground cover, trees, rocks, grass, eventually buildings. And time to break and run a few trains. If you made it this far and you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one, where we'll be adding rock faces and pouring plaster molds. So until next time, keep on keeping on. Also stay tuned to see a few of the bloopers at the very end of this thing. I also create and build as I have time. I believe in having good quality videos and not trying to make videos for video's sakes. Until next time, this is Dean at DCR Rails. Well, that didn't go as planned. The bigger piece needed to be on the bottom. I flipped them upside down to come up. Up, and there go the dogs.